Prime Minister started with the happy news of that July has brought in. In the month of July, we had a very good GST collection of 1,16,000 crores. This is a very good progress from the earlier months. And the news from Tokyo Olympics, whether it is the bronze medal by PV Sindhu or the achievements of the hockey teams, both men and women. These are all good news that has come in the month of July. PM also mentioned that today he spoke to the captain and the coach of the men's hockey team to give them confidence to face the playoff for the bronze medal. Parliament is being insulted. Parliament and the Constitution is being insulted by the acts of the opposition in both houses of Parliament. As mentioned by Prahlad Joshi ji, he mentioned that the person who snatched the papers from the hands of the minister and tore it away, he is not at all repentant on his act. Again, the comments made by a senior member of Parliament yesterday regarding the passage of the bills. It's derogatory of the proceedings and the esteem of the elected representatives of the country. The PM also mentioned that we will not leave any stone unturned to fulfill the commitments that we have given to the people of the country. He mentioned about the e-rupee launching yesterday, which he said that this is a new chapter in the digital transaction of the in the economy. It will have a targeted purpose. It will have a targeted and purpose-specific benefits for the people. For example, he said that many of the schemes and many of the benefits that are being provided to the people and the financial assistance that is given sometimes gets used for some other purposes, but e-rupee ensures that the assistance that is given is spent for the purpose it has been given. He also announced that from today onwards, 3rd, 5th, 7th, these 3 days, large-scale, massive distribution of food grains under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana will be undertaken in the states of Gujarat today, on 5th in Uttar Pradesh and 7th in Madhya Pradesh. Further, on 9th of August, which is the anniversary of the Quit India Day, the next installment of PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, that also will be deposited in the accounts of the farmers across the country.
Indian women cricket.
Women hockey.
women hockey, women cricket team को भी बधाई दी.
तो 9 को किसान सम्मान निधि.
हाँ, किसान सम्मान.
Indian cricket team.
हाँ. दोनों.
सर जो ओबीसी और आरक्षण को
नहीं मैं बता रहा हूँ. The members of the members who are assembled, especially the OBC and other community senior members of the parliament from BJP, under the leadership of party president JP Nadda ji, felicitated and thanked the Prime Minister for making the historic announcement regarding allocation of 27% of reservation for the OBC sections of the society and 10% for the economically weaker sections of the society.
Sir,